and we are heading towards to Goa. I will show you all the places in Goa. It's a 6-day trip, and I will tell you which are the places you should visit it. This is not my first time visit, but I have visited long back, but I thought we'll take it another visit to Goa after COVID. And in between, I stayed here in this place which is called Nature Paradise, which is in Ramnagar near to Dandeli. And Dudhsagar waterfall is there. Very nice place. So this property is basically 10-year old, but they closed it somehow, and they are renovating now. So those area is basically the entrance. It's actually in the middle of a forest, and there is a river back of this property. This is the entrance. So once you come here, then you will find all these cottages. They arrange very nicely. So started running this morning. Look at the view. Very peaceful and very silent. It's really in the nature, literally in the nature. In the nature. Okay, I'll show you the rooms. So they have something 3-story kind of configuration. They have ground first. For this unit, they have ground first and top. This is basically restaurant or dining area, you can say. They serve food along with your package, veg, non-veg, both the options they have, with the different options in the breakfast. Kids play area. I'll try to show from roof. It's not locked. Actually, they are getting it ready. Look at the view. Look at the view. So mesmerizing, beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Literally in the jungle. Damn peaceful. So he's a Sagar. Hi Sagar. So that guy was caretaker and he take care for all the things here. Very used to guy.